The Chenab River. The Chenab River is one of the 6 major rivers that flow through Pakistan. The Chenab River originates in the Himalayas in the Indian-administered state of Jammu and Kashmir and flows south through the Kashmir Valley, eventually joining the Indus River near Lahore. The Chenab is one of the longest rivers in Pakistan, with a length of approximately 1,200 kilometers. The Chenab River basin is home to a large number of people, including some of the poorest in Pakistan. The river provides water for irrigation and domestic use for millions of people living in its basin. The river also supports a thriving fishing industry. The Chenab River has been an important route for trade and travel for centuries. In recent years, the construction of dams and canals has helped to provide hydroelectric power and irrigation water to Pakistanis living in the river basin.